In previous videos I would have mentioned that certain Irish words are easy to remember because of the way that they sound. So for example, more means big, and this is easy to remember because if something is big you probably have more of it, so you can relate those two words to remind yourself that more means big. Board means table. And this is easy to remember, I think, because very often a wooden table is going to be made out of boards anyway. So that's a handy link there. And deal is the Irish verb to sell or to hustle. So in order to buy and sell something, you have to make a deal with somebody. So the English word deal and the Irish verb deal sound practically identical there. So again, that's a convenient connection you can make there. Now let's look at some more examples, and you can use the sounds of these Irish words to give you a big clue as to the meaning in English. So Asal means donkey, and this is easy to remember because Asal is very similar to ass in English, which is another word for a donkey. Salach means dirty in Irish, Salach, and I think this is easy to remember because if something is dirty, you're probably thinking of making the sound yuck, as in something is yuck, and that sounds a little bit like Salach, so you can make that connection there. Spare is the Irish word for the sky, and I find this very convenient because spare sounds pretty much the same as the English word spare, S-P-A-R-E, because a sky has loads of spare room. Spare space, let's say. Next we have the Irish verb cuddle, which is to sleep. Cuddle. This sounds remarkably like the English word cuddle, which is like hugging or getting close to your significant other. And it's a good connection to make to remind you what the Irish verb for sleep is. Cuddle sov. Sleep tight. Cuddle sov. Cuddle me go sov. I slept well. Cuddle me go sov. Next we have the Irish verb éist, which is to listen. Éist. And when you want somebody to listen, you'll often tell them to shush or shh. And this is a very similar sound to the Irish verb éist. Tig is next. Tig is the Irish verb to understand. And you might have heard the following phrase or phrases: to dig something, or do you dig it? That basically means, do you understand it, or do you get what I'm saying? And rumour has it that the way of saying this, to dig something, actually originates from the Irish verb tig, which is to understand. Hig she an scéal. She understood it. Hig she an scéal. Next we have cool. Cool is a goal, as in to score a goal in football. And it's always going to feel cool, like you're going to have that cool feeling when you score a goal. So that's a handy connection there to make. Cool for goal, and cool the feeling when you score a goal. Four sheet cool. They got a goal. Four sheet cool. Don't forget to let me know in the comments section some Irish words that you find really easy to remember because of the way that they are spelled or the way they sound. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Slán go fóill.